Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with this puzzle page, the puzzle page of this weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. Oh, today it's actually Saturday, July the 20th, 2024. We have in this puzzle page six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku, the Kayla Sudoku. We have a binary with 4 stars, binary with 3 stars, and the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, not all. Too much for me, time consuming. And I need time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So 4 of them, 4 out of 6 I will solve. Tomorrow we have an additional. I've showed you earlier an additional with 7 extra puzzles, and 4 of them I will solve in the afternoon. And in the evening we have also a samurai Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour to solve. All right, the first one, number 8934. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has 24 printed digits. Actually, a 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, all the 4 star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes, 2 fours, 4 fives. Well. 1, 2, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 3 eights, and 2 nines. Well, the 5s are a majority. Can I start with a 5? That's the question. 5, 5. Will be difficult. Cannot start with a 5. 2, 2. Okay, so what number can I use then? Well. 1, need a 1 here. I'm still scanning. 3, 3. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. This one is a hard one. 8. 8. Yeah. Let me put some numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see another 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there then. So we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 1 in the column next, so last column. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a pair here. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 4 should be there, the first digit. Alright. Need a 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left and 5 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. So we have a 7 in one. Oh, wait, we have a pair. The 2 and the 7 in this column. The 2 and the 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left of the 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8, goes together with the 3 as a pair. So these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. The 9 could be everywhere. 6, 9, 1, okay. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Well, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. We need a 6. 6 could be everywhere. The 7, the 8, 9 could be everywhere. Okay. So we have all the numbers now here. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, okay. 2, 3, 7, okay. I cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, 7. So we have, oh no. The 8 in this row. The 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. Alright, need an 8 here. Well, we have a 3 here, 2, 3, 7. The other 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Need a 4, need a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 9. Well, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square goes together with the 1 as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here we have a 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes and a 3 in this column. So here can be 2 or 3. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay, 6, 9, 1. I need a 4 and a 1 here. Here, 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. A 9 and a 5. We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Wow. I need a 9 here. 9 and need a 4 here. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, The 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So here can be 9. 6 and a 9, okay. One box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3. I believe the 4. The 5, the 6 is missing. No 6 here. Then these 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left. Should be the 3. Alright. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright. And now, need a 1 here. And the 8 here. Well, we have a 5. Let me see. In this first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 there, okay. Need a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. Is this true? Well, we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places left for the 8, could be here, could be there. How about, no, need a 5 here. Overlooked 5 and a 7. We already have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Overlooked. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here 6, so the 6 goes here. So 2 numbers left here for numbers 9 and 1. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see, 8. No, we need 8 there. How about the... Well, 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, 8 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Whoa. We solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.